I'm Adri from All of Amalfi Coast, and today on Mangia Monday, we're going to be making a pumpkin ravioli with a formaggio filling. We're also going to be showing you one of the many ways to cook it. We're going to cook it in a sage butter sauce. You ready? I'm ready. Let's get started. You're going to start with half a cup of caciocavallo cheese and add in half a cup of ricotta. Grate 2 teaspoons of fresh nutmeg and mix it all together. Set the filling aside for later. Beat 1 egg and 1 egg yolk together. Add 4 tablespoons of pumpkin and mix together. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix together. Pour 2 cups of all-purpose flour onto a table or flat, clean surface. You're going to make a hole in the center. Then pour the pumpkin egg mixture into the hole. Carefully start kneading your dough together. Your dough is too dry. Form another hole in the center of the dough and pour in 1 teaspoon of water at a time. Work your dough for about 10 minutes or until it has a smooth face. Put your dough into 4 equal pieces. Put 1 piece of dough through the machine at a time. Start on setting 1. Pass the dough through the machine, fold it, and then pass through lengthwise until you get your desired width. Then move the setting up to 2 and put the dough through a few times, alternating which end you put through the machine. Go all the way up to setting 4. A 5-centimeter circle cookie cutter and cut your dough into circles. Pass the leftover dough through the pasta machine using the same process. Do the same for all 4 pieces. Of 1 pasta circle, add half a teaspoon of cheese filling. Then cover with another pasta circle and squish the edges together with a fork. Okay, if you don't want to cook all of these raviolis today, what you can do is flash freeze them. You're going to need to take a tray and dust it with flour so the raviolis don't stick. Then you will layer them flat, a single layer, and put them in the freezer. You will freeze them until they are frozen solid. Then you'll take them out of the freezer, take them off of the tray, and put them into a bag. Inside the bag, they can last up to 3 months in the freezer. Okay, now we're going to show you how to cook them, and after we're going to be putting them into a butter sage sauce. Bring a medium pot of water to a boil. Add salt when it starts to boil. Add the raviolis and stir. While the ravioli are cooking, we're going to make the butter sage sauce. In a medium frying pan, melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Of dry sage or fresh sage leaves and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix together. When your ravioli are very al dente, take them out and add them to the sage butter sauce. There, they will finish cooking. Add fresh Parmesan to your ravioli. Because you never have too much Parmesan. Okay, now it's my favorite part, the taste testing. Look at the stretch. So delicioso. Buon appetito!